Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start now by making both devices ready. Make sure your AirPods are charged and in their case, and your My TV is powered on. On the TV, open Settings, then Remotes and Accessories so you can add a new device. Once done, press and hold the small button on the AirPods case until the LED flashes white. That puts them into pairing mode. Stay close to the TV because Bluetooth range matters, and make sure no other paired device is actively connected to the AirPods. You now pair from the My TV interface. Navigate to add accessory or Bluetooth device in Remotes and Accessories and start scanning. Watch the on-screen list. The AirPods should appear as AirPods or the owner name. Once visible, highlight and press OK to connect, then confirm any prompts. If pairing stalls, close the AirPods case and reopen it to refresh discoverability, then rescan. Make sure Bluetooth on the TV is enabled, and that no other nearby iPhone or Mac is auto-connecting to the AirPods during this step. You finish by selecting the AirPods as the sound output on the My TV. Go to Sound Settings and choose your AirPods to route audio there. Once connected, test playback with a video or music app and adjust volume. If audio cuts, reboot the TV and try pairing again. If still failing, reset the AirPods by holding the case button for 15 seconds until the LED blinks amber then white, then repair. Key tip: if pairing repeatedly fails, temporarily remove other Bluetooth devices.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.